If you've struggled with how to get started with Apache Superset, how to deploy the software in a production grade way, how to establish a secure connection to data assets, and how to quickly build out charts and dashboards, you aren't alone. In this tutorial, we'll show you a from-scratch setup and how to navigate the interesting challenges while attempting this installation. For those unfamiliar, Apache Superset is a very popular and powerful open source business intelligence tool. While our getting started journey will be somewhat data store agnostic, we will use the example of Google Cloud's data warehouse, BigQuery, as we get started. For a scalable and production grade, yet simple setup, we'll opt for a Superset installation on Google Kubernetes Engine. As we walk that path, we'll be using the Helm Package Manager as our map and compass. As usual, we're including all the required code and this diagram file in the video description. With our preparations in place, let's roll up our sleeves to set up the installation foundation, a Kubernetes cluster. After enabling the API, we'll opt for an autopilot cluster, a more opinionated, controlled, and serverless approach for running Kubernetes on Google Cloud. If you like to be extra hands-on and don't mind the additional complexity, then take notice of the option in the top right to switch to a standard cluster. With the cluster set, you're now able to install Superset on top of it. While you can use any IDE, we'll navigate to the Cloud Shell using the little terminal icon in the top right of the console. This is where we can authenticate our kubectl client with the cluster and run the Helm installation. Next up, we add the Superset Helm repository and move forward with installation. We'll stick with the default Helm installation values for now. Good news! Our installation was successful and we have an efficient command directing us to our newly installed Superset service. We'll visit via port 8080, the go-to port for web previews in the Cloud Shell. Fasten your seatbelts, we're about to open the gates to our Superset instance deployed on Google Kubernetes Engine. The entrance code is admin. But wait, there's a roadblock. When we try to link up with a database, BigQuery is not an option. This calls for utilization of the Bootstrap script in our Helm installation. Specifically, we'll use the SQL Alchemy BigQuery package and upgrade our existing Helm installation. And voila! BigQuery is back on the radar, ready to connect. To finish out the connection over at the I am page, we'll create a service account for connecting to BigQuery. For simplicity, we'll provide this account full project level access to BigQuery, but consider finer grained permissions like at the dataset level for production applications. Don't forget to generate a JSON key for the service account, which you'll need to copy directly into the Superset connection setup. Are we finally ready to embark on our data exploration and visualization mission? No, we need some actual data in BigQuery to explore. We'll import a CSV file from cloud storage for simulated ordered data. In the video description, you'll find the CSV file and the Python script that generated it. Using the SQL Lab, we can explore the data, but of course, we can do that in BigQuery itself. The real value comes from visualization. So now that we've got our new data set in place, we can create dashboards and charts. Let's begin by crafting a chart. We'll choose our data set and select a simple time series bar chart as our visualization format. For our metric, we'll capture the total quantity of product sold using a sum operation. The system intelligently identifies the date as the time column from our table. While our data may be sparse, we still get a clear chart. Let's save this. Next, let's create another chart, perhaps a pie chart, this time to observe the quantity of products sold by each partner. Once satisfied, we'll save this chart too. Ultimately, we can merge various charts into a concise dashboard. We now have several perspectives visualized together in this dashboard, which maybe we'll save as sales overview. While this quick demonstration wasn't exhaustive, we hope it served as a helpful introduction to using Superset and cloud data warehouses like Google's BigQuery. As always, we'll keep an eye on the comment section for any questions you might have. Thank you for watching, and please enjoy responsibly.